Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 Electronics Repair here. We're going to continue on this 39001. It has arrived. I repeat, it has arrived. Sorry about that. You see the little stuff up there? That's the anti-static. I've already taken it off. We're going to go ahead and swap this laser out. Right there, you'll see that little mark. You have to take off the anti-static or the DVD side will not work. It won't work at all. So I already did that with the soldering station. So let's get this swapped out. Let's get started. And turn on PlayStation. I'll shut it off. Get my screwdriver. Take out the side of the pole. There's a screw, even though I have like 20 million of them. We're going to go ahead and take this out. Get the pole out of here. It's kind of hard with one hand. As you can tell before the last video, this wouldn't read CDs or PlayStation discs. I cleaned it. Sorry about the camera. And it worked. So, like I said, you just gotta flip it over. Let me see if I can prop the camera up here so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry for monkeying around with the camera, guys. What you need to do is you need to pull that tab out. I'm trying to see if I can get you a good view of this while I'm doing it here. Maybe, maybe not. Need to use two hands. Prop this up. Oops. Sorry about that, I dropped the camera. Anyways, let me get this out. I'll be right back. And we're back. Sorry about that. Laser swap is complete. You have to take a T4. Excuse my camera. You gotta take that tilt screw out. And you gotta, these slide. To get the laser ribbon out. I'm trying not to touch that lens. I did clean this one. As you can tell, this is the original. Just trying to show you guys that I'm gonna get these off. These slide forward and they slide back to put them back in position. I'll keep this one as a test laser. It seems to be where it was working okay after I cleaned it, but two tried method. If it's in doubt, replace it. This was $40, guys. $40. Yeah, it's sad these days. It's $40 PlayStation and $40 laser. That's 80 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and get this reassembled. Seems to be working okay. I'll get this put back and we'll be right back. We're back. I got the drive and stuff. I was going to show you guys this. How many screws you got to take out just to take top off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two you can leave them alone unless you're doing your power supply. You don't have to take these out. So I can get the screws back in. We'll go ahead and hook this up to the TV and we'll give her a good test. We'll give her a quick test. And on those T4 thing, you want to go all the way down and go up, go about 1.5 turns back up. You want it level. Here, let me get my prop out here. Come on, focus. So here's your screw. You want it kind of a little bit up or level with that. You want it level with it. Just for enough to slide. Just it's like 1.25 turns after that. It's like 1.25 or 2 turns. But anyways, let me get the rest of the screws and stuff back in here. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, folks. Let's turn the TV on and see what this puppy does. That tray is still kind of weird. Yeah, I put it up on the TV stand this time. There's my PlayStation 2 that I use. I particularly like the 5000 series because it was the last design Sony ever had. Come on. See what she does. Seems like that laser's running smoother than butter. That's my years of experience. That's what that is. That's why I said you take that screw, you ran it all the way in, you run it out 1.5 turns, 1.5 to 2 turns. That's it. Make sure she's level and make sure she moves. Yeah, I kind of dropped the camera earlier, so you'll have to excuse that. Seems to be running okay so far. Just said this is my time tested method, how I test them and how I refurbish them. So it's tracking okay. $40, it was a $43 laser. You can get them on AliExpress for less. But you have to buy 5. Which, if you buy 5, then you'll have spares. But they'll probably take forever. This was a US seller, that's why I paid what I paid. I did not want to wait. I didn't want to wait for somebody in China to find out I'm not going to get it. Wait months and months and months. I said that's why I usually pay for local. Pay the piper, as they speak. This one seems to be running faster and better too. Just gonna go ahead and deploy. This was a brand new laser, so I don't expect anything less but it to work. I didn't adjust the pots, I didn't touch the tilt wheel, I didn't touch anything. Everything's still at factory. The way the factory had it. There it goes. This is SOCOM 2. This is my test discs. It's all I use, and this is all I use. But this that you guys see all the time on my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, please.
Take cover and sit tight. We won't move on to the rendezvous until 0700.
Team, it's vital that you... Commander, you must locate me.
508 Mallard.
Alright, team, you heard the lady. Let's lock it up and get moving.
Looks like we're moving.
Let's not forget that intel suggests they are moving.
Alright. Enough of that. We're going to go ahead and reset. It's traced a little dot, a little whatever, but excuse the camera. Keep messing around with the camera. Here's a time-tested method right here. It never... See if it plays the CD-ROM. Right away. Not like last time. There it went. You gotta fix PlayStation 2, guys. Look at that. 95% of your issue is a laser issue. It is not the board. Unless it's a 3001 RG15. Those boards are junk. If you get a good one, like I did a long time ago, it worked fine for a couple months. After that, the security chip went bad. And it's called a Mechacon, or it's the system controller. You can try to reflow them. It doesn't always work. I got lucky once. This thing is tracking absolutely fantastic. This is the one that does progressive scan. Like if I were to put in NASCAR right now, it asks me that. This laser does progressive scan. And it just looks beautiful from the camera angle here. Enough of that mess. I'm looking at load times, guys.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
See, from my angle it looks blurry, but from the camera it looks fantastic. Ain't that funny?
Single player. Ford
Let's back up a little bit here.
competitions.
Yeah.
Movie car chases.
This is a good one to test for rumble. Just a FYI. That was weird. I've never seen it do that before. So this is gonna go on to test for rumble. Apparently I don't know how to push a button. Kinda hard to do this one-handed. You get the point. It works. We'll go ahead and reset. Go ahead and put our favorite Rage Racer in. So this is my time-tested method. Because if it doesn't play all three, the system is worthless to me. There, it fired right up. Didn't even hesitate. That is a one healthy laser, guys. I said even 400Cs are getting up there in price. I told you back in the day I used to get those for $10 a piece. That is the one and only Rage Racer. And these ones are, I think, $25 a piece, which wasn't too bad. But now they're 40, almost 50. I think I saw a listing for $70 for one of these. I was like, no. On eBay. They put that solder blob on there for shipping so it doesn't short out during shipping. You have to have a soldering to take it off.
Rage Racer.
So I showed you where it was because you need to know. The 400Cs, when I put one in and I have to do that, I'll show you again. Looks good. Racers, start your engines and let's get it on. I try to make these videos as short as possible.
3, 2, 1, go! This on. Show 'em what you've got.
Because of the fact of the matter is that a lot of people don't watch the whole video, so. And this one looks like she's working just fine. Oops. I can't drive one-handed, so we'll go ahead and reset. Go ahead and put a DVD in it. Gonna go ahead with the Turtles. We'll go Season 3, Disc 5 today. There you go. Another PS2 safe in the grave, and violators may be subject to civil penalties. Well, I own them, so sue me. I don't play DVDs in here, but I do test to make sure the DVD function does work. This was back in the day a all-in-one game, all-in-one thing. You could play DVDs in it. A lot of people bought them for cheap DVD players. You don't know how many I've had to unparental lock because of that. Let's go ahead and hit an episode, see what episodes are on this one. I'll just pick a random one. We'll do Michelangelo's birthday. And there you have it, folks. I'll leave you with that, and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. We're probably going to be doing a 2DS on the next one. Thanks for watching.